Welcome back to the Auto Report. Today, we're diving into something truly special. The 2026 Volkswagen Bus T1 Samba. A perfect fusion of retro soul and modern innovation. This is not just a revival. It's a complete reimagination of an icon that defined generations of adventure and freedom. From the front, the new 2026 VW Bus T1 Samba instantly captures your heart. That signature V-shaped nose, with its oversized Volkswagen emblem, remains proudly at the center, a tribute to the original Type 1 design from the 1950s. But now, it's updated with sleek LED matrix headlights surrounded by circular daytime running lights, giving it a futuristic yet nostalgic personality. The two-tone paint finish, seen here in candy red metallic and gloss black, brings a luxurious touch to the beloved retro form. Chrome details accent the grille and bumpers, while modern air intakes and a lower splitter give this Samba a far more aggressive and planted stance than ever before. From the side, the 2026 Samba maintains its boxy proportions, but lowers its center of gravity thanks to a redesigned suspension system and larger 20-inch black multi-spoke alloy wheels with red accents. The long glass panels and iconic split windows pay homage to the original 23-window bus, but every panel line is sharpened with precision. The result is a seamless blend of retro charm and modern aerodynamics. Chrome trim lines flow elegantly across the body, while subtle LED accents near the rockers enhance visibility at night. This isn't just a van anymore. It's a modern classic cruiser ready for both city drives and long weekend escapes. At the back, Volkswagen's designers went all out. The VW emblem once again takes center stage, surrounded by sharp, horizontal LED taillights, integrated cleanly into the tailgate, a feature that mirrors VW's latest design language. Below, the rear bumper is sport-inspired, featuring quad exhaust outlets, a rear diffuser, and Samba badging in chrome that glows subtly at night. Every curve feels deliberate, a tribute to the simplicity of the original T1, yet infused with a hint of performance DNA. Step inside, and you're greeted by a world that merges nostalgia with state-of-the-art technology. The cabin is wrapped in two-tone premium leather, featuring sand beige and graphite gray with contrasting red stitching. Ambient lighting outlines the dashboard and doors, while the panoramic windows flood the space with natural light. The cockpit itself feels futuristic. A digital driver display, a large infotainment touchscreen, and an electronic gear selector replace the old manual setup. The signature two-spoke steering wheel keeps the vintage spirit alive, but integrates modern multifunction controls. It's retro luxury, where comfort meets connectivity. While Volkswagen hasn't officially confirmed all technical details, insiders suggest that the 2026 T1 Samba will use a hybrid electric powertrain, borrowing elements from the ID. Buzz and the Atlas. Expect around 320 horsepower, all-wheel drive, and instant torque delivery for a surprisingly quick acceleration, from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in around 6.5 seconds. The chassis has been re-engineered for better suspension, featuring adaptive suspension and disc brakes on all 4 corners, a massive leap from its vintage roots. The 2026 Volkswagen Bus T1 Samba is expected to debut in late 2025, with deliveries starting in early 2026. Pricing is rumored to begin around $110,000, depending on trim levels and customization options, positioning it as a high-end collector's edition rather than a mass-market van. Volkswagen plans a limited production run, ensuring exclusivity for true enthusiasts and collectors who appreciate heritage reborn through modern engineering. The 2026 VW Bus T1 Samba isn't just transportation, it's emotion on wheels. It represents the golden age of exploration, reimagined for the modern driver who demands technology, luxury, and design excellence. If you love the rebirth of classics like this, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the TheAutoReport, and ring the bell for more stunning automotive revivals just like this one. The past has returned, and it drives better than ever.